Walking or running, which is the ultimate health booster? Hello, everyone! Choosing between walking and running can be tricky, but both pack powerful health benefits. Walking is gentle, low impact, and perfect for joints. It engages slow twitch muscle fibers, burning fat for energy, and boosting endurance. This improves your body's oxygen use, letting you tackle tougher workouts. Walking enhances glucose clearance, stabilizing blood sugar, preventing diabetes, and even reversing it. It strengthens your heart, improves circulation, and lowers blood pressure. Ideal for those avoiding intense cardio due to injuries. Running, with its higher intensity, supercharges your heart, increasing cardiac output, blood flow, and glucose clearance. It burns more calories in less time, perfect for weight loss. Both build muscle and stamina, but running pushes your limits faster. Says walking burns fewer calories, but suits chronic conditions like hypertension or stroke recovery. Aim for 150 minutes of moderate exercise weekly, starting slow and ramping up. Overdo it? You risk fatigue or injury. Got health issues? Consult a doctor for safe routines. Netizens debate. I love walking's calm vibe. Which fits your lifestyle? Comment below. Like and subscribe. Thank you all.